As a technology provider, we always say we don't just work with our clients, we partner with them for mutual success. A critical part of that is being there to help when something goes wrong. That means running a friendly and efficient IT help desk. When you're looking for a new IT partner, there are 2 tests you must apply to their help desk. First, how much focus does it have on customer service? Is the whole business geared around identifying and fixing problems quickly? You'd be surprised how many IT support providers misdiagnose problems, take days to solve them, or confuse clients with tech speak. The other test is excellent technical skills. Of course you want issues to be handled quickly, but really you want a proper resolution, not a temporary fix. Find out the first-time fix rate of any IT support provider you're considering working with. And rather than take their word for it, ask to speak to one of their existing clients. Any good IT support provider should be happy for you to speak to a client to get genuine feedback. Don't be afraid to ask. If you're actively looking for a new IT support partner for your business, we'd love to talk. Book a no-obligation conversation.